4:44. Camping day. Camping day. We're loading up, ready to go. Yes. I have to clean the top because I park under the trees at work, and those little like bolitas, they fall on it. Dude. Hey, I'm going to the beach. Bro, why are you laughing at me? I'm ready to work, but I'm down to have a good time. Like I said, I look like a Hawaiian construction worker. Mahalo, man. Cooking brekkie. Some good brekkie. We got sausages, hash browns, pancakes, and eggs. Yes. Nature. Look at the view. That's your plate, Sigrid? Emilio! You're gonna love this shit, bro. Doing the dishes. Doing the dishes.
On the back.
Dude, there's little on stickers. Look at this guy. Look how this guy puts on stickers. What are you doing? What are you doing, guy? Hey, guy. I'm just fucking with you. I'd help, but I'm a little far. You're a little far? Yeah. Oh, I thought you said you're a little far. That's it? Perhaps. Hello. Hello. Diego. Wake up, bro. What you doing? All right, come forward. You're good. Driver, driver. Let's go, let's go! Nice, dude.
I'm only me though.
You're good. You're working on it.
This is
Diego's working on the dressing from scratch.
This is a long-term investment.
Long-term investment. He bought a little pack of 4 for camping gear.
I'm gonna get my return soon.
This guy. That guy's making the dressing from scratch.
Ow.
It's awesome.
I have my head on the speaker.
We're gonna be chilling here for the next 3 days. It's beautiful. Maria's taking a nap in the car. She's tired. She's currently making a baby. I dirtied my flamingo shirt. Look at this. It's a mess.
It's a mess.
Oh no. I got tree sap all over me. I feel like a kid again.
I can't find it.
I hate that shit with B.
Huh? Bro, I hate that.
Banging burgers. Banging burgers.
Yeah, man. For sure. What is that?
Happy birthday, homie. You live in a zoo. You look like a monkey and you smell like one too.
Oh, shit. With this.
Yeah,
Hey, I get to throw in my trash now. Is it a thresheroo?
yeah.
Trasheroo? Sick! Oh, it's so cool!
¿Estas son las rolas, Oscar, or what?
Yes. Sí.
Puro Rigo Toba. You gotta go like this. There you go. That was his thing back in the day. I'm green, dude. Wow, what a douche.
There you go.
This guy blows.
Yeah, look at you right now. Look at you. Behind the line, man. Look at you. Look at you. Alright, so then I put it here, right? So then I put like the acting in and shit like that.
Blockbuster. Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Right, so I'm putting that one there.
Check out how I messed up the sticker on this side.
Yeah, you did, fool. Starting to set up camp. Shout out to Douglas.
Shout out to Doug.
What'd you think of the
I love
the drive
off-road.
up?
Oh my god,
Is
I
it
love
cool?
it. Yes. Chris is like, she's yelling.
She's loud.
I know, you're the reason why I woke up.
I was like, woo! And my kids, Mom, you're an embarrassment. Be quiet.
I never said that.
What did you guys say?
We just said shut up.
Morning. How you doing? Yeah, we have a permit. Yeah. You want to see it or you good?
I'll trust you.
Good. And it says for propane stoves, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Awesome.
How long do you guys be back here? Just so we know people are back.
Till tomorrow lunchtime.
Okay.
Around there.
Have fun.
Thank
Thank you.
So what range? Hello. Good morning, little guy.
I know, how's little guy? I was like, oh my god, I wonder how Emilio killed. Okay, guys.
He's having a blast.
He's kicking everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Look. This. So there's no
restrictions.
campfires, no charcoal grills, and gas stoves are okay.
Oh, okay.
So you just need to pull a permit for the gas.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah.
Looks so good. Oh, I was imagining myself coming in here with that.
Get that little baggie.
Oh, that one. There you go. Thank you. We gotta see what way. I think it goes that way. Go this side with that way, Mama. Pull in more, baby. There you go. Wait.
Nice.
Oh, there's a big old rock right here. Oh, está bien clavado.
Just slide it over this way.
So we should put it more that way.
Look at your house. Give us a tour.
If it's 8 people, come.
Hey MTV, welcome to Cribs. Greetings.
Great team. And there's so much flies in your hair.
He almost hit it.
One in there. See, I told you.
There you go, you see? So now take your finger out of the trigger, like that.
No,
Ooh, you almost had it, Mama. Oh,
Good gun safety, Andy. Good job, buddy. Take the magazine out. Boom. Then set the gun down. Boom. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Go. And then, good. Cool. And then we're gonna work our way out. Hang tight. Passenger. 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 There you go. Straight. Straight. Driver. 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 Slow, slow, slow. Driver, driver. We'll turn it around right here. That's good. All right, hold up. You're gonna go forward a little bit, and then driver. You're good. Straighten it out. Straight. You're good. Straight. You're good. You're good. And then driver, hard driver. Hard driver. There you go. And then passenger, hard passenger. Hard passenger, passenger, hard, hard. There you go. Straighten it out, driver. You're good.
Here we have, mates, one of the most wildest creatures in all the planet. He's a animal, he is. Look at this sexy specimen. Oh, crikey! He's alive! He's alive, this one he is! Oh my goodness gracious, he's alive! Get him, oh no, he's coming at me!
Hi, Mama. You were exploring? Chris, what's your tequila?
What you cooking, Chief?
Las chuletitas aquí, su estilo chilango.
Will you say that in English, man?
Directamente desde Ciudad Nezahualcóyotl, México.
English, bro, English.
Con unas rajitas de chile jalapeno. Sí,
Frijoles fritas.
English, English.
No saber inglés, no sé inglés.
¿No sabe inglés?
No sé inglés.
No speak the inglés,
Nomás
güey.
puro pinche chilaquil, hijo.
No
ya
puro
sabes.
chilaquil,
Ya
hijo.
vas, Barrabás, hijo.
What you making over here, sis?
Tortillas with fried beans.
Banging. Banging. You having fun out here or what?
Yes, I love it.
Wild. Look at this guy.
Chris!
Look at this guy.
Chris! I love it.
Making the onions for the hot dogs. Got the jalapenos, the burgers. Baby girl over here cutting the tomatoes,
No
the lettuces. Love you. Yes. Listening to the greatest rock band in the world. Day 3.
Yes.
Yes.
Parecía el de menos.
Water buffalo.
¿De mí?
I was gonna say a car. What are those cars called?
The diesel?
Yeah.
The two-stroke power diesel?
Y desconectando la carpa aquí con la doña.
But I opened
Es una experta ya en quitar carpas.
Oh Lord.
En la vida primitiva.
En la vida primitiva.
Primitiva.
I can't tell you like the muscles that you control or can't.
And this is how you work in the wild.
Where?
Thank you for subscribing.
In the wild. It's a competition.
That carpal tunnel's kicking in.
Type it up.
So we should have got here Friday though.
That what?
You guys should have came here on Friday.